SB19 simula at wakas Doha Presscon mga madam sir. Panoorin po natin etong kauna-unahang presscon ng ating mahalima dito nga po sa Doha. Ito yung pa-welcome ng Doha sa ating mahalima. Ito rin yung pinakamagiging kauna-unahang pagtatanghal ng ating mahalima dito nga po sa Qatar. So tara mga madam sir, panoorin po natin to, no? So let's go, wala lang patumpik-tumpik pa. Awas ah. Elevator pataas. Parang setup ng mga concert nila sa mga stage nila, di ba? Ganito yun yung wala silang okay. Kay Pablo. Ang bias niya itong nag-upload na to si Pablo. Kahati na naman tayo.
So before we begin, guys, I think it's only proper that we give them a welcome for joining me here. So let's start off with you, my friend.
Nice tab. Mabuhay. Sinasabi si Josh eh. Wow, new look ko yan, no? Akin na. Parang mag-opisina na ano, no? Parang general manager sa opisina, no? General manager. Ang kulit. Napansin ko lang, parang di ba kakaiba, oh. Tingnan mo yung hairstyle niyo, di ba? Parang ano, parang decente talaga, oh. Tapos di ba yung pinakang ano niya, yung pantalon niya rito, di ba? Bukod tangi sa apat, di ba? Medyo pitted, no? Ang kulit ng look ko, napansin ko lang, no? Ang fresh. So sa kanilang lahat, ang pinakang napansin ko talaga si Ken. Okay, tuloy.
Can you say hi to them? There's a lot of Filipinos here.
Okay. Alright. Have a seat, gentlemen, because right now, relax muna tayo.
Chillax lang.
Okay, let's now throw the mic to our social media press right there. Let's start a press conference proper for this time. RJ Queen, I'm right there.
Hey, good evening, Papaya, and good evening, SB19. Hey, my name is Colleen, and I'm here with. Hello, everyone, and all the people that are here in MOQ. A very good evening, and hello to SB19. My name is RJIC. All right, and right now we are together with social media partners right here. So let me throw the questions directly to SB19. First up, we have the Tour Tribune, Doreen Regis.
Pinang-away dalawa. Hindi ka na makatulog mamaya. Narinig ko yun, ha. Hindi na makatulog mamaya. Matulog kayo. Kayong ano, ha. Matulog pa rin kayo.
How was your simula bukas World Derby so far? And what makes Qatar stop special for you? Thank you.
Thank you so much for that question. To be honest with you, simula bukas was really exhausting. But at the same time, it's really rewarding because we get to see beautiful faces like these people. Last time we were in the countries and cities that we were able to cancel because unfortunately
ang liit ng mukha, grabe. Ang kulit din. Ang liit ng mukha, grabe. Dinig ko. Narinig ko siya. Balik ko ng konti.
Countries and cities that we were able to go to because
diba?
some of the stops were canceled. So we promised together with our team that
Pasensya na, hindi ko na masyadong maintindihan yung sinasabi, yung boses ni Pablo. Sobrang ingay talaga ng, di ba, ng venue. Yun, so, panoorin na natin.
as much as we could, we would try to visit different places all over the world. And so, right now, this is our first time here in the Doha.
Oh, first time sa Qatar. Ng ating mahalin.
I'm happy to see all of you guys here. Thank you so much for SB19.
Such a heartwarming answer, Pablo. Thank you for answering that question, and thank you, G, for giving us that question. Now, to QCAS for our next question.
Hello, SB19. Welcome to Doha, by the way.
Thank you so much.
Yes. Okay. My question would be for the 18 fans as well. Asa yung mga 18 fans natin? And the question goes this way. 18 are some of the most passionate fans in the world. What's a fan moment that truly touched you?
Actually, today. I mean, seeing you guys today here, this is the first time here, but seeing you guys here tonight, we're very happy and we're very touched to see you guys here tonight. Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta. We know that tomorrow is the concert day, pero you are here tonight to show and to welcome us here in Doha. And I think every time we perform or we share the stage with 18, that's already special. And especially tonight, we're very happy and thankful to everyone who's here. And we hope to see you guys tomorrow at our concert. And again, 18, thank you so much. Mahal na mahal namin din lahat.
Yes!
Thank you so much, Sal.
Love you too.
Yes, tonight, tignan mo bukas kung ano yung mangyayari.
Let's see tomorrow.
Alright, up next we got here RDTV, the representative of TFC. Your question, please.
Hello, Mahalima. Welcome to Doha!
Ay, ba?
From the Filipino channel and the Papsi TV, of course. My question, SB19 has gained massive recognition globally. How do you stay grounded despite your international success?
Of course.
Sigawan ng mga inuwan.
Siguro, for us, it's always, syempre, appreciating yung lower place. Kasi if you don't appreciate life, or you don't appreciate the lower place and the people around you, pwede, syempre, mapunta ka sa ibang, or kainin ka ng siguro lahat ng achievements sa mga nangyayari po nowadays. But more importantly, siguro, learning to listen to people as well. Of course, to those who really care. I think that with us, we always try to humble each other and mas nag-usap kami during the hard times.
Such a great answer, Josh. Thank you for that. An amazing answer. Now we have to move on to our next social media partner. Fabinica, what's your question?
Social media.
Welcome to Qatar SB19. I'm Ika from Fabinica Vlog, and my question is, parang pagdasal. If you could dedicate one new song just for 18, what would the title be?
Oh. Want you.
Maybe Kaharian. Kaharian. Raymond's Kingdom. I'm thinking that it will talk about like the community that was built by 18, with all the good things that they did, like helping people, help us achieving the goals for the Filipino music. Yeah, Kaharian. It's for everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you all.
Hindi masyado talaga na ano?
Alright, so nakikita niyo naman na yung kaharian niyo dito sa Doha, Qatar. No, kanina pa talaga tumili right from the moment they saw your hair strands from the top, no? Alright, up next we got here, Mega by Heart. Your question, please.
Yan na.
Hi, SB19. Welcome to Doha, Qatar!
Ay, Teknad.
Mga tao,
Encantadia. Nanonood sila ng Encantadia.
What's one thing that you learned from international fans that inspires your music?
Sabi ko na nga ba eh. Inaantay ko nga yun eh. Pag pag ganun pa lang eh, no? Grabe itong mga ano kay Ken.
Fans namin dito, especially napakadami po sa ibang bansa po. That's why sobrang laki ko ng respect namin sa fans namin, especially dito sa Doha. We just love them so much, and we just want to dedicate this to yung concert namin to them, so let's do happiness in general para sa kanila.
Pinatingin doon ng host. Nagpilian to na.
Dami namin kanta na binigay sa pag-ibig namin sa video namin. Malakas yung gano'n pala.
Thank you, Ken, for answering that question. I am very sure that all of our 18 fans feel that love and respect. Now, moving on to our next social media partner. Give it up for Hazel in Qatar and her question.
Hello, SB19. Welcome to Doha, Qatar. Hello, I'm Hazel of Hazel in Qatar. Here's my question. What's the first thing that came to your mind when you heard you'd be performing here in Doha, Qatar?
Siyempre po masaya.
Nagtagalog.
Katulad po ng promise namin, katulad sinabi ko kanina, nag-promise kami na as much as we could, we would visit the countries and the people na hindi namin napuntahan. Lalo na dito sa Qatar, this is our first time here, so very excited kami mag-perform for all of you. Abangan nyo na pasabog bukas. Kasi na, dapat manonood kayo lahat, walang lalabas kami dito. Pero I just wanna say, maraming salamat kasi first time namin, naging pagtanggap nyo sa mga.
Grabe, sobra.
Welcome
na welcome talaga.
Yung pagiging masaya mo is hindi ka bibiguin ng 18 Qatar. Alright, we got our last representative right here from CNET Digital Media, Ms. Kai.
Marhaba, Mahalima. Welcome to Qatar. Hello. Hi, I'm Kai. I'm from CNET Digital Media. Maraming salamat sa pagpunta niyo sa amin dito sa Qatar. Alam namin marami na kayo pupuntahan and you are here with us. Thank you very much.
Mga Pinoy din karamihan, no?
Straight from Manila na pinapatanong ng sister. Sobrang mahal na mahal kayo. From all of your singles, mula Tila Luha hanggang Umaaligid, ano ang pinaka-hit song nyo ngayon na lahat ng concerts nyo are sold out?
Huwag mong ikunot.
Di ba napaisip?
Huwag mong ikunot daw.
Huwag mong ikunot!
Siguro po, SLFT.
Syempre, salamat.
Siyempre, napapasalamat po kami sa mga tao. Siyempre po, pagdating dito sa Qatar, sa Doha, maraming salamat po sa AD. Siyempre po sa pagpagtanggap sa amin. At first time ko namin dito, pero lahat po, destinations na pupuntahan namin talagang po sa sold out po nila. Kaya naman po dito, kasi sold out po ito.
Thank you very much.
Salamat po.
Alright, thank you so much, SB19.
Pinoy din karamihan nag-i-interview.
And thank you, 18, sa walang humpay na paghiya. We're throwing the mic back to you on stage, Carl and RJ.
Thank you very much, RJ Korean and RJ AC, IC.
So marami kasi mga Pinoy sa Qatar, no? So gano'n, no? Kaya parang no, yung interview nila talagang parang sa Pilipinas din sila, no? Yung mga tanungan nila talagang, di ba? Taglish, pero di ba? Nagulat ako, nagtagalog talaga.
Anyway, this is a time for SB19 to give their message.
Sample po.
Everyone is out to buy their tickets.
Sige, maybe a last message from you guys. Alright.
Uy, may sample nga.
Gusto ko namin magpasalamat for supporting us
for always cheering for us and listening to our
tumayo
music.
lang.
We love you guys. Maraming salamat po. We hope to see you tomorrow at a concert sa Qatar National Convention Center. Sa mga hindi pa po nakakabit ng tickets, you can still buy tickets. Yeah, see you tomorrow guys. Maraming salamat po. Okay.
Nako, sample. Lala.
Thank you so much again, SB19, for your
wala
time
na.
and for sharing your thoughts and excitement with us.
And we got to our friends from the media, our sponsors.
Yan na, baba na. Bye-bye. Wala akong kasample pa eh. Ang kalit eh. Talaga na-prepare na maayos eh. Yung stage, ang angas. Diba? Biruin mo yun. Ilang minuto lang. Diba? Ilang minuto lang silang nandun. Tapos na-prepare pa ng ganun. Diba? Nung nag-elevator. Ang kalit eh. No? So, ang saya, no? Ibang-iba na sa presscon dati, no? So, yun. So, masasabi natin, talagang iba na talaga. Malima, no? So, nakaka-proud. Talagang grabe na, no? From dati na talagang pagka ini-interview sila is talagang mayroon pang alam nyo na yon, yung mga salitang hindi magaganda na may mga panlalait, no? Ipang the down. So, this time ito, no? Grabe, no? Welcome na welcome talaga sa Qatar pa. First time pa nila. Diba? Kasi ganito pa yung naging preparasyon, diba? Sa ilang minutong presscon na ginawa nila rito, no? So grabe talaga. Ibang-iba na. Mahalima. Diba, nakaka-proud. Okay, congratulations Mahalima. Ayan, so good luck sa unang pagkatanghal dito nga po sa Qatar. Okay? Yun, so mga madam sir, muli salamat sa panonood sa aking video upload na to, no? So thank you so much. Okay, so magkita tayo ulit sa mga susunod na upload. Once again, this is Dogs TV. Peace and out. Thank you so much. Bye bye. God bless all.